Permanent secretaries for the different ministries for Edo State don't promise say dem go support and collaborate with Governor Monday Okpebholo, showing loyalty and readiness to work with am for the success of the administration. The head of service, Dr. Anthony Okpebholo, wey talk on behalf of the permanent secretaries, talk this one for one meeting wey dem hold with Governor Okpebholo for ESCO chamber for Government House, Benin City. E con tok say civil servants for Edo State go remain loyal, dedicated and committed to work to make sure say this government succeed.
Our 100% support and loyalty and dedication, commitment and passion to ensuring that we succeed. Because your success is our success. We want to support you, sir, every step of the way. You can count on us. And by the grace of God, this government will succeed beyond your widest imaginations.
Edo Governor Monday Okpebholo thank the permanent secretaries for the work wey they don't do so far as the accounting officers and come urge them to continue to work together to move the state forward. Oga Governor Konya said the meeting now to familiarize with everybody and say he go call each person to talk one-on-one, discuss what it don't happen before, what them get for mind now to do and how them go take achieve them.
Let's work together so that we move Edo State forward. This is just a familiarization meeting. I'll call on each individual so that we can have one-on-one interaction and at the same time put things on the table, what you have done in the past and what we intend to do, how we want to achieve it.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.